Welcome to my channel, Step to Learn. Today we learn about use of this and that in the sentence. Let's start. If the things are near to us, we use this with the sentence. And if the things are far away from us, then we use that with the sentence. For example, as you see, this umbrella is near, so we will say this is an umbrella. And if the umbrella goes far, then we will say that is an umbrella because umbrella is far. This is a car. Car is near, so we say this is a car. If the car goes far, then we will say that is a car because car is far. This is a chair. Chair is near. And if the chair goes far, then we will say that is a chair because chair is far. The ball is near, so we will say this is a ball. And if the ball goes far, then we will say that is a ball because ball is far. Cup is near, so we will say this is a cup. And if the cup goes far, we will say that is a cup because cup is now far. This is an apple. Apple is near. And if the apple goes far, we will say that is an apple because apple is far now. When the things are far, then we use that. And if all the things are near, then we use this with all the sentences. This is an umbrella. This is a car. This is a chair. This is a ball. This is a cup. This is an apple. And while the things are far, we will use that with all the sentences. Like, that is an umbrella, that is a car, that is a chair, that is a ball, that is a cup, that is an apple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.